Oke, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. uh, Welcome back with me again in my channel. I'm Salman Al-Ghifari, and in this video I will lab or show you about the configuration in networking. But this is different because if in my previous video I configured networking on the Cisco architecture, but in this video I'll configure the Pnetlab. So Pnetlab I ready to install on the VMware workstation, and this is for web, and topology is simple. Topology so simple, just have two router, one switch. This is router Mikrotik router. This is Cisco router, and this is the switch router. Mikrotik router have two client, and into the client I will set the DHCP. This is DHCP. IP address is 100.0/24, 200.0/24. This is the network address. So into the router Mikrotik to router Cisco, I will configuration routing protocol. So the protocol is Ospf, and Ospf in the area 0 or backbone area. So, next for the client, switch Cisco have 3 client, and I configure VLAN 10 name engineer, VLAN 20 name programmer, VLAN 30 name designer. So this is the network of IP address. So this I add address is manually or static. So in this router I not configure DHCP but manual. So let's go to the configuration. First you start the Cisco switch, waiting. Okay, enable first and go to global configuration. First add the hostname example switch Cisco. This is just example. Okay, go to interface. Okay, interface. On the Pnetlab, so this is name interface is Ethernet, no fast Ethernet. This the Ethernet, so you go to Ethernet 0/0, Ethernet 0/0. Okay, so other router you must configure trunk. Okay, switchboard model trunk. Okay, this is, so I'm on command reject. In this switch must configure trunk encapsulation, switchboard trunk encapsulation.1q. Okay, next the switchboard model trunk. Okay, next I'll make the VLAN 10 name engineer, VLAN 20 name programmer, VLAN 30 name design now dulu VLAN. Okay, so go to interface, interface direct to the client. This is interface Ethernet 0/1, 0/2, and 0/3. Interface range Ethernet 0/1 until 3. Switch port, mode access. Interface Ethernet 0/1, switch port access VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 30. Okay, configuration on the switch have done. Just make VLAN, make trunk to router, and access VLAN to the client. Okay, I'll on PC. Next, on the router, Cisco. I on again. Go to router Cisco. Waiting. I on router Mikrotik. Okay, this no. Okay, enable. Go to global configuration and set the host name. Sample error Cisco. Next, go to interface. Internet 00 0/0. No shutdown first. Next, configure the IP address 10.10.10.2 255.255.255.0 255.0. So next, I make the interface loopback 0 example, no shutdown, and add the IP address quad 2 and subnet max is 255.255 or /32. Okay, go to interface, direct to the switch. This is the Ethernet 0/1 interface, Ethernet 0/1, no shutdown first, and I will make the sub interface. Solution.1q 10 IP address 192.168.10.1 255.0. Okay, next, sub interface VLAN 20, encapsulation.1q 20, and add the IP address 20.1. Next, VLAN 30, encapsulation again, add the IP again. Okay, configure IP address on the router so have clear or done. So next I will configure the routing. Router Ospf Ospf 1 example, include the network is 10.10.10.0 and the wildcard to Wi-Fi, area backbone or area 0. Network include the VLAN is 10.0, same Wi-Fi area 0. Okay, next VLAN 20 and VLAN 30, VLAN 30 and VLAN 20. Okay, interface logic, I forgot. Wildcard is 0, area 0. Okay, configure routing Ospf tone. Last, under Mikrotik, default Mikrotik login, username is admin and password blank or no have password. Okay, right. Okay, so first I'll add the hostname. Set the hostname first. System identity. Set hostname. Set name. Okay, I'm sorry. Set name. Example Mikrotik. Mikrotik. Next, I configuration the IP address. Mikrotik command is IP address at address. Example 10.10.10.1 /24. Okay, different. I will show you about different router Mikrotik and router Cisco. If under router Cisco, if I add the IP address, I will include the subnet max. But under Mikrotik, just include the prefix or slash. So you know make the 255, but you're including the slash or prefix /24. So next you identifying to interface. Simple, this the topology is either one. Okay, enter. Next I will configure or add IP address to the claim. IP address, add address, enter 2 192.168.100.1, enter 2 and enter 3 is 200. Okay, for the next I will make the interface bridge or interface loopback. Command is interface bridge. Add name loopback. Okay, interface print. Okay, loopback and IP address. Add address 111.1/32 interface loopback. So yes, under Mikrotik I'll set up the DHCP IP DHCP server setup. This is DHCP to the client, either 2 and either 3, either 2. Next. Okay, and either 3. Okay, enter. So for the last configuration, I'll configure the routing protocol. Routing Ospf, interface, add interface, other one. So what other one? So routing to direct to this is router Cisco on the other one. So you will or must add interface routing on the other one. Next, routing Ospf instance set 0 redistribute connected as type 1, and the router ID 111.1. Okay, for the last I including the network routing Ospf network, add network 1.1.1 slash I'm sorry .0/32 area 0. I'm sorry, in the Mikrotik area backbone, name is backbone. So next 10.0/24 area backbone, 192.168.100/24 area backbone plus 200. Okay, routing Ospf have to configure. So last to the PC, check on the PC. Okay, this is IP DHCP. Okay, have the DHCP IP and the PC4 check 2. Waiting. PC4. Okay, IP DHCP. Okay, next to the PC 6, 7 and 9. I'm sorry, egg IP address IP 192.168.10.2/24, and this is the gateway, including the gateway 10.1. Okay, checking to the gateway. This is 10.1. Okay, gateway successful through the ping. Gateway successful through ping. Okay, PT7 IP 192.168.20.2/24, 192.168.20.1. This is the gateway to the router. Ping to gateway. Okay, successful. So last router, last PC, I'm sorry, last PC IP address, IP 192.168.30.2/24, gateway 30.1. Okay, ping 30.1. Okay, done. Okay, for the last take, the goals. Client PC client on the Mikrotik have pinged to the client PC on the switch Cisco. So if I ping 10.1, 10.2, must success. Okay, successful. I try in PC4, this PC, ping to the VLAN 30. Example VLAN 30. Ping 30.1. Okay, success. 30.2 success. So to the PC8 this or PC7 is VLAN 20. I'll try ping to the PC4 or client either 3 Mikrotik, ping 192.168.200.1. Okay, success. Dot this the IP address 254. Okay, 254. Okay, successful. So this is about the configuration Ospf background area. So this is Mikrotik and Cisco. So this is a different vendor. Different vendor have connected. So I'll check the IP route. Pre. Okay, the flag on the Mikrotik ADO. This is ADO 1, 2, 3, and 4. Mikrotik no have 4 network. 10.0, 20.0, 30.0, and this is the IP loopback. Okay. If in router Cisco do show IP route, this IP route 1, 2, 3 Ospf. So on the Cisco router network no have is 100.0 to 100.0, and this is the loopback IP. Okay, so yeah, this is the configuration about the Ospf backbone area. So I'm sorry if in this video I have a mistaken about my speak or my word. So thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next configuration and next video, guys. Thank you very much.